Element 3D gives you options to work with Bevel presets. So you can do that with shapes or text as per your liking. So I'm going to do it with the text here in this lesson. So I'm going to create a new text layer right here, and I'm going to say tutor tube just like this, and I'm going to drag it on to the center over here. Let me just add in a full resolution. I'm just gonna say auto resolution, that's fine. And I'm going to fit this up to 100% so that you can see it more clearly. Alright, so I got my text right here, and what I want to do is I want to extrude this out. So I'm going to go over here, and on the custom layer part, I'm going to go into custom text and masks, and I'm going to select tutor tube right here. So then I'm going to go into scene setup, and I'm going to extrude this out. Just click and drag over here. So you can see that I got a plain text right here. What I can do is now, in order to apply the Bevel presets, I'm going to go into presets, I'm going to go into Bevel, physical, and here you can see that there are a lot of presets that you can choose from. So you can simply click and drag this, and there you go, there's the Bevel as you can see. So it gives a different look to the entire text right here. So you can simply click and drag this. Now this gives a different look. Click and drag, this has a completely different look over here. You can also work around with this. You can see that there's the Chrome object right here. You can enable and disable the Chrome object. You can enable and disable the Paint object and the Bevel object, the Bevel 3 object as well, as you can see right here. So you can work around with this right here. So you can extrude this out. You can extrude a certain bevel right here, as you can see. I can extrude the curve over here of this bevel. I can extrude the depth, and I can extrude the size and so forth, and you get a similar look for it, just like this. Over here, there's also the outline width, as you can see. So you can increase and decrease the outline width over here. You can also go over here and change the other basic settings for these bevel respectively, just like this, inside and outside over here, just like that. So you can also go into materials, and I'm going to go on to my procedures right here. So let's say I want a stone texture on this one, so you can simply add in the stone texture to the top, just like that. Click and drag this out. There's the black stones texture, and you can click this out, and there's the other stone texture right there, just like that. Click and drag this out. There's the other texture over here. So similarly, you can have this kind of a texture just like that, and use Bevel presets to create a more interesting effect. I'm just going to use a white marble over here so that is much more clear. I'm going to go into tiles. Maybe you can also use the tiles over here. That gives a different look to the object right here, or you can go for the metal look right there, much more shiny. Alright, so press OK, and the text with the Bevel preset comes up onto my composition window, and I'm going to disable the tutor tube layer right here, and that's how you work with the Bevel preset inside of Element 3D. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.